There is swift and angry reaction from Colorado's congressional delegation to Attorney General Jeff Sessions' actions on legal marijuana. Marijuana is illegal at the federal level. Well, today, Sessions said local federal prosecutors should decide whether they should pursue cases. Republican Senator Gardner says that contradicts what Sessions told him prior to confirmation that marijuana would not be a priority for this administration. In the first 11 months of last year, Colorado took in more than $226 million in tax revenue from the sale of legal marijuana. Our Rick Salinger has long covered issues related to marijuana. He joins us live right now. And so what does this really mean for the industry, Rick?
Well, Alan, that, of course, is the big question. But right now, it doesn't appear that there will be much of a change as far as Colorado's legal marijuana industry is concerned. Now, cannabis has always been illegal under federal law, but under previous administrations, there's been no interference with states like Colorado that have legalized both recreational and medical pot. What is happening now is the Attorney General, Jeff Sessions, is signing a memo that puts prosecutions more into the hands of the individual U.S. attorneys. One of the leading proponents of legalization says he only sees an impact at what you might say is a higher level.
This certainly could create some complications for business owners and for those engaging in these types of large financial or business transactions, but it is not really going to have any sort of immediate effect on consumers because that's an activity that is largely dealt with by state and local officials, and it is still legal in Colorado.
The U.S. Attorney's Office issued a statement just a short time ago saying it has always focused its prosecutions on those who represent the greatest threat to the community, and it will continue to do so. Live in Denver, Rick Salinger, covering Colorado First.
Rick, thank you very much.